Hi, my name is Mikki and I'm a travel and lifestyle content creator. I'm very excited about today because we're gonna be going around the city and exploring everything that Manila has to offer. Manila is such a vibrant city with so many hidden gems, and I hope to discover some of them today and take all of you along with me. Now, of course, I want to capture the entire experience without having to worry about running out of batteries, and with an awesome, compact, and lightweight camera, high-quality images and videos while looking incredibly sharp and sleek and matching my own style. So, I'd like to introduce you all to my new favorite toy. A travel-ready smartphone that looks incredibly stylish and packs so much power in such a slim and lightweight body. It's called the Infinix ZERO 5G. Created for us adventure junkies, I'm sure this phone and I are a match made in heaven, and I can't wait to try out its incredible features. This beast of a phone boasts the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, 144Hz 10-bit color 3D curved AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh battery for long adventures, and of course, a fantastic 108 megapixel OIS ultra clear camera. Now that was a mouthful. So join me as I test out all its features while exploring Manila. Our day begins with a burst of colors, all beautifully captured and recorded by the Infinix ZERO 5G's 108 megapixel OIS ultra clear camera. We're starting our day here in Cubao Farmers Market. I thought this would be the perfect place to test how well the camera captures colors and intricate details. As you can see, with advanced AI technology, the results look very vivid and crisp. The camera really brings these flowers to life with vibrant colors and incredible detail, even as I switch between the different zoom functions. There are 3 zoom options: the 0.6x or wide-angle lens, the 1x or normal lens, and the 3x or zoom lens. All of them work incredibly well in the daytime, and it's easy to switch between them while shooting. There's a pro tip for you when creating content. Never be afraid to look closer into these intricacies. It's a great way to see things in a new light and create great visual stories. I'm just happy I get to do all that with this camera's powerful zoom function. Also got to try the camera out more by taking photos and videos of the fruit stands in the market. I'm in love with the colors. Everything looks so rich and delicious. The Infinix ZERO 5G's 144Hz 10-bit color 3D curved AMOLED display really adds that extra vibrance and saturation to the photos I captured. Of course, we also took the chance to do a little shopping for fruits as they're much cheaper here.
150.
And we also took some selfies with Ate, taking advantage of the Infinix ZERO 5G's powerful 50 megapixel front vlog camera.
Thank you.
Now it's time for lunch. Look at all those details you see in the video. Makes all that food look even more mouth-watering. How great are these photos? Now it's time to move on to the next part of our city tour. It's happy hour in BGC, so it's a perfect excuse for me to enjoy some cocktails while Rick enjoys his Coke, since he doesn't drink. And we get to enjoy the views of the city together. Found the perfect use for my Infinix ZERO 5G's 50 megapixel front vlog camera for this one. The dual video feature captures the view and my face at the same time, so you'll never miss a moment. You'll see my emotions and everything happening around me all at once. I think this is such a unique feature and really a game changer, especially for vloggers. There's plenty of ways you can get creative with this feature, and I'm excited to see what other content creators do with it when they get their hands on this phone. Sun's almost down and the Infinix ZERO 5G still doesn't disappoint. Still got a lot of battery life left, even if I've been using it most of the day taking pictures, taking videos, and I still got 55% left in my battery. All thanks to the Infinix ZERO 5G's robust 5000 mAh battery, which ensures that I'll never have to worry about running out of power while documenting my day. Now it's time to inject a little bit of culture into our tour, with little art meets tech appreciation. There's a new immersive AI art exhibit in BGC celebrating the works of Da Vinci, and I think this is the perfect opportunity to test how well the phone functions in low light conditions. Let's go. Now, this exhibit is truly a feast for the senses and it's very trippy. And I'm so glad this phone is really up for the challenge and is able to capture all the exhibit's incredible visuals beautifully. After the exhibit, I also tested the phone's super night mode and I was very happy with the results. Even with long exposure shots, there's barely any blur and the photos came out really nice with brilliant colors and amazing clarity. Additionally, as a huge tech guy, the star of the show for me is the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, which keeps everything running smoothly so I can focus on savoring these moments without having to worry about lag or any malfunctions. It makes the phone perfect for gaming, especially with graphic-heavy games that really require a lot of processing power to run smoothly. Overall, the Infinix ZERO 5G has truly made a wonderful difference for my Manila adventure. Every one of its next-level features has played a vital role in enhancing my experience and changing the way I look at the city. I'm just so happy to have been able to see Manila in a new light, while creating new and beautiful memories, capturing them perfectly, and getting to share them with everyone. It's all thanks to this powerful device. Now, on to more adventures with the Infinix ZERO 5G. Thank you everyone for watching and until next time.
Selfie tayo. Selfie ate. Matching tayo ng damit.
Ay, matching tayo.